I think so. I think that's.
All right, we'll just hang tight out here then.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Okay, sure. All right, so what you can do is hang your foot up.
Eagle. Highway 67.
Glaciers?
Whose name is that? That's Daddy's, yeah. See, that's what Mommy did.
Hello, this is not recording.
What are you going to wear?
Why do I have a fire truck?
Go in the water.
Yep.
Load the victims, run them in, and then go back and get the ones that remained. I've already stayed out there several times.
Yeah.
You usually stay out with at least 2 people. You never stay out alone.
Here.
Don't worry about the snow. It's not going to hurt.
You probably had lots of ice and stuff in it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So this steers it?
That steers the rudders. If you look behind you, move that stick, you'll see the rudders move back there. But that's one of those where the more the better.
Right.
Is this where the GPS is?
That's where the GPS mounts. Yeah.
What's down? Yeah, but Nicholas. See, right. Player. Loud. It's real loud.
My name is Beth Posel. Last name is spelled P-O-S-E-L. Police officer with the River Falls Police Department.
So how long have you been a police officer?
Almost 3 years. It'll be 3 years this spring.
So, what makes you do the things you do? How can you walk into line of fire? How do you get prepared every day? What's your mindset going into work?
You know, going into work, it's a lot of kind of positive self-talk, just reminding yourself that you're trained to do it and that you can handle it, and you know, you wouldn't be out there doing it if you know, it wasn't something you felt capable of, that kind of thing. So just gotta go in and, you know, think about it kind of later after it's over with, and you kind of look at it and go, that was kind of scary, but you know, while you're in it, you just kind of go. So.
Are you comfortable with the hero label? Do you consider yourself a hero?
No. I mean, you know, I guess I don't know if that's a modesty thing or it's just, you know, not why I do it, but you know, I realize why people put that label, but it's not something that necessarily I consider myself. I mean, it's a job I do and it's a calling, and you just kind of go and do it. So.